I've taken the dry coconut of this particular cup size. I'm going to roast them till they are evenly mid-brown. It's ready, and now I'm going to take half a cup of poppy seeds and I'm going to roast them. At the same time. Now I added sugar and the golden raisins. And to mix it well. It's a dry type of mixture. There are two types of mixtures for Modak fillings. One you can make out of jaggery and coconut, the fresh coconut, grated or crushed, and other is a dry mixture. And now let's work on the covering. For the covering, I have all-purpose flour. Actually, I'm making a little more, so I took 2 cups of it. 1 desi ghee, pure butter, and 1 small tablespoon of sea salt. And I added actually a little sugar, so like almost a spoon of sugar, because I'm making this as a sweet dish for one of the festival. So I want the covering to be sweet as well. Now here in this, you can either do the dough out of just the whole grain flour or wheat flour, or you can do half of all-purpose flour and half of wheat flour. It's up to you. Okay. To arrange them in here, oil spray and